If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, so here we are now at the Wave Breaker, the family rescue coaster. Haven't been on it yet, but I am going to do a POV front row of it, hopefully. That's the ride vehicle right there. Ready to go? Alright, so for this view, you kind of go through a training center. It's pretty cool. Really cool. Now, as you all can see, each of the rides I've been on, no wait at all. So this one's a little bit more popular. You got a couple people, but not many. That's it. You got a family up there waiting. And I'm gonna wait for the front row.
Hope you enjoyed your rescue mission with us here.
Attention ladies and gentlemen, in the queue we ask that you do not load.
Simulation sequence initiated. Trainees, please face forward and prepare to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's Wave Breaker, you all. Great ride. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.